Good morning from Japan. We have with us today the Minister of Energy, Commerce and Industry, Mr. Papanastasiou, and also the Chief Scientist of Research and Innovation and Technology, Mr. Demetris Skourides. Minister, welcome to Japan. What is the purpose of your visit?
First of all, I would like to thank you for this opportunity that we have today in order to have this conversation. The visit to Japan is something which has been organized with the Chairman of Commerce and Industry of Cyprus, and the purpose of being here is to promote Cyprus as an investment destination. On the side of that, of course, we attend today the CE Japan conference and the fair with the representation of Cyprus as a shipping destination. Jointly, the two ministries, the Deputy Ministry of Shipping and the Ministry of Energy, Commerce and Industry, we have this pavilion where we are hosted today, and the meetings that we intend to have, the B2B today, they will be delivering the message that Cyprus can provide a positive destination for the Japanese investors.
Yesterday we had the Cyprus-Japan forum. What was the outcome of the forum of yesterday?
Yes, we believe that it was a successful one. From the feedback that we received from the business people from Japan that they attended. Of course, we received some feedback from mass media from Japan as well. We believe that we have given the messages loudly and clearly to the environment here in Japan, and it was very well appreciated. Certainly, it is a matter of taking it from where we presented it yesterday to action, and we believe that this is what is next for our ministry.
Energy is a word that has been used widely now in Cyprus, especially with the latest developments. What is the combination of energy here with Japan or in Japan in general?
Yes, Japan is a good example for Cyprus because they manage well their energy resources. In addition, they have explored many different ways of being efficient, and this is something which is a good lesson for us to learn from a country like Japan, because they have very efficient grids, they have automated their grids as well, and they manage renewables quite very efficiently. So the combination of the conventional power generation, but also what is coming from renewables and from nuclear is a good example in a mix to deliver low-cost energy for the industry.
Mr. Skourides, we are today at CE Japan. Portec is a subtitle of the exhibition. Can you tell us a little bit about technology?
Of course. First of all, let me just make a comment here and say that what I've seen around here is both in energy tech and core tech, meaning that we see the intersection and the inflection point between technology supporting the industry. What I have seen until now here is very good. I mean, I've seen great applications of where technology is actually embedded within port applications. As we see, for example, right across us, there is one that is actually looking at the whole digitalization of it. We're looking at, for example, solutions that are really integrating in a management console how they operate, and this is of keen interest for us. Now, we're not very behind in Cyprus. As part of our research and development strategy that was endorsed by the Council of Ministers in December 2023, maritime and shipping is a very important element of our strategy. It's an area where we're investing in terms of developing R&D and also supporting companies. We have a very vibrant ecosystem of innovation companies that are really disrupting and really creating new solutions using technology. Some of these are also helping and being part of the digitalization journey. Let me just make a note here. We actively believe as government that digitization is a priority. The Deputy Minister of Shipping is actually very committed to driving this, and one of our innovation companies, Cello, is actually involved with a part of this transformation. So it's very inspiring to see here how many companies are stepping up to really become a part of it. And what is a learning point here is that the ecosystem embraces all of these emerging technologies. Looking around us, we see a lot of new technologies. We see artificial intelligence in the maritime industry. We see a lot of new elements that are being created. Now, finalizing, what I would like to say here is that in Cyprus, we have a specific center of excellence. It's called the Cyprus Marine and Maritime Institute, which focuses around everything that is related to the industry. They are building capabilities like how to skill the workforce and how to skill companies in pivoting over into the green skills, right? And pivoting to the ESG. They are researching solutions around how to use, for example, green fuel, or let's say fuel engines that are not going to be using, how do we call it, the traditional, let's say, fuel for ships. And all of these are areas that we're investing right now in R&D to help move forward. So thank you very much.
Thank you both gentlemen. This is Adonis Violaris from Cyprus Shipping News in Japan.